What is botany? Botany is the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants, including their structure, properties, and biochemical process. Also included are plants classification and the study of plants disease and of the interaction with the environment. The principle and finding of botany have provided the base for such applied sciences as agriculture, horticulture, and forestry. Plants were of paramount importance to early humans who depended upon them as sources of food, shelter, clothing, medicine, ornament, tools, and magic. Today, it is known that in addition to their practical and economic values, green plants are indispensable to all life on Earth. Throughout the process of photosynthesis, plants transforms energy from the sun into the chemical energy of food, which make all life possible. A second unique and important capacity of green plant is the formation and release of oxygen as the byproduct of photosynthesis. The oxygen of the atmosphere so absolutely essential to many forms of life represent the accumulation of over 3 crore 50 lakh years of photosynthesis by green plants and algae. Although the many steps in the process of photosynthesis have been fully understood only in recent years, even in prehistoric time, humans somehow recognized intellectually that some important relation existed between the sun and plants. Such a recognition is suggested by the fact that worship of the sun was often combined with the worship of plants by early tribes and civilization. Earliest humans, like the other anthropoid mammals, example apes or monkeys, depended totally upon the natural resources of the environment, which until methods were developed for hunting consisted almost completely of plants. The behavior of pre-Stone Age humans can be inferred by studying the botany of original peoples in various parts of the world. Isolated tribal groups in South America, Africa, and New Guinea, for example, have extensive knowledge about plants and distinguish hundred of kinds according to their utility as edible poisons or otherwise important in their culture. They have developed sophisticated system of nomenclature and classification which approximate the binomial system. Example, generic and specific name found in modern biology. The urge to recognize different kind of plants and to give them names thus seem to be as old as the human race. In time, plants were not only collected but also grown by humans. This domestication resulted not only in development of agriculture but also in a greater stability of human population that had previously been nomadic from the in time, plants were not only collected but also grown by humans. This domestication result not only in development of agriculture but also in a greater stability of human population that had previously been nomadic. From the settling down of agricultural people in places where they could depended upon adequate food supply come the first village and the earliest civilization. Because of the long preoccupations of human with plants, a large body of folklore, general information, and actual scientific data has accumulated, which has become the basis for the science of botany.